everyone, so today we are going to create an eye makeup or a lifted makeup look. So let's get started. Okay, so now we are going to start by prepping our base, and for that I'm going to use a water-based moisturizer. I'm going in with my serum just because I want a dewy makeup look. This serum will give me a glossy effect. So now I'm going in with my primers, which will create a smooth base for my foundation. And don't forget to apply your primer around your mouth to avoid fine lines when you smile or you talk. Next up, I'm going in with my color corrector. If you have dark circles or pigmentation around your mouth, then orange color corrector is a must. So now we will start applying our foundation, and remember to apply your foundation in upward direction so that your face looks lifted. And even we will blend our foundation in upward direction. After my foundation, I am going in again with my concealer, but this time a shade lighter than my skin tone, just to highlight my eyes. Once we are done with the concealer, I'm going to use a setting powder to set it. Okay, so now for my contouring, I'm going to use a liquid concealer that is 2 times darker than my actual shade. So now coming to our eyeshadow part, I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow as my base color. Okay, so after my brown eyeshadow, I'm going in with my black eyeshadow. Take a very little amount of black eyeshadow because playing with black eyeshadow is very risky. So little black, little risk. Once we are done blending our brown and black eyeshadow, we will go in with a glitter eyeshadow just to lit up our eyes little bit. Just to make our eyes little bit more dramatic, I'm going in with a black winged eyeliner. Just to make sure that my eyes pop out nicely, I'm applying kajal in my lower and upper waterline. After my kajal, I'm going in with my mascara. If you want, you can apply false eyelashes as well. Now I'm just gonna fill in my brows and shape it using a spoolie. So now for my blush, I'm gonna use a cream blush to get a natural and dewy look. And for my highlighter, I'm gonna use a liquid highlighter. I am outlining my lips using a brown lip liner just to give a proper defined shape to my lips. So now for my lipstick part, I'm going in with a brown nude lip shade because this will blend perfectly with the look. I'm just topping it with a brown lip gloss to give it that glossy effect. Finishing off the entire look and making it set in place by using a setting spray. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.